Rastafari. It's my workout for being healthy. Remember what I said, women love to exercise. That's the important thing, 100%. And this is my workout with my friends from the park. You know, at evening, morning, but I still do it. And guess what? My name of the video is called Strength, No Weakness. Strength,
No weakness!
what do we have?
Muscle!
Strength,
No weakness!
what do we have?
Muscle!
Alright, we're gonna start off by doing 15 jumping jacks. Ready? Begin.
1,
Strength,
2, 3,
no weakness.
no weakness!
What do we have?
Muscle!
Strength,
No weakness!
what do we have?
Muscle!
Strength,
No weakness!
what do we have?
Muscle!
Strength,
No weakness!
what do we have?
Muscle!
Okay, now I want everybody to drop down and give me 5 push-ups. 2, 3. Let's go. Not this. This. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it, hold it. All right, up. Good job. Switch. All right, everybody do. All right, let's clap it up. Yeah! Strength.
No weakness!
What do we have?
Muscle!
All right. Strength.
No weakness!
What do we have?
Muscle!
One more time, let me hear it. Strength.
No weakness!
What do we have?
Muscle!
That's teaching you guys to be healthy and strong. And next time, you'll be fit and strong like me. You have the muscle, the cow, and the out. Let's see you later. Good job. That's right.